Hello, dear subscribers. Today I will tell how you can easily sign into your Apple ID account on your App Store on your Mac. So for doing this, you just need to tap here on sign in. Just pressing just open App Store, and after you will see this window. So on this window you will see on the left side here sign in. Just tap here, and now you just need to write your Apple ID. So after you just need to write your password and just tap on sign in, and it will successfully sign into your App Store account. And another way you can also just sign in, just go here and just tap on store, and here you will see sign in option in the store. So now just tap on sign in, just write your Apple ID and just write your password. After just tap on sign in. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.